na ye kana monte no kwaji obi gold no akoton edi akwaji obi excavator na odi ama wo nkrofo so mo fan kugiji nkurasefo asase ye ka saa montie ene with Facebook say what Obama Akufo-Addo nti Akufo-Addo win election Akufo-Addo ne ba wo mia tu kwan a NDC ni na president ye win election am ka say mo ade mo adwuma no kra mo ntie ase o adwuma na asem na esi no mo ntie ase ngu nipa Jimie the kasa kire wa monte Akufo-Addo be de eguman no me no kra ka me de be ma ba wo mia no nto aso Jimie kasa kire wa monte Watu Obama Akufo-Addo but debi Akufo-Addo nim no tu ne nan free krom ha na ba wumi aso tu kwan pe alamba ben na president NDC for na ewu o man no ohun nya Jimie bebi Jimie de mo egbeduru ohun bebi Jimie de mo egbeduru
Subscribe to GHBase TV.
Enna sene nyame bo wiase no won enipa bi wo ha no nko wiase a wenim begua wo ye den mo win election plus ye be win election mo win ni hwie wo baguma ni ase etumofo monte enna mete ya obi say galamsey fight no na ama MPP elu nanado elu suicide anya galamsey fight no Eye nkrofo na amokogigi omonoma na ye kana monte no kwaji obi gold no akoton edi akwaji obi excavator na odi ama wo nkrofo so mo fan kugigi nkurasefo asase ye ka saa montie ene with Facebook say what Obama Akufo-Addo nti Akufo-Addo win election Akufo-Addo ne ba wo mia tu kwan a NDC ni na president ye win election am ka say mo ade mo adwuma no kra mo ntie ase o adwuma na asem na esi no mo ntie ase ngu nipa Jimie the kasa kire wa monte Akufo-Addo be de eguman no me no kra ka me de be ma ba wo mia no nto aso Jimie kasa kire wa monte watu Obama Akufo-Addo but debi Akufo-Addo nim no tu ne nan free krom ha na ba wo mia so tu kwan pe alamba ben na president NDC for na ewu o man no ohun nya Jimie bebi Jimie de mo egbeduru ohun bebi Jimie de mo egbeduru ohun say ye to abani wie ye no na ye kasa Akufo-Addo win ni pe the next morning me ba Facebook and bet ro say MPs 4 baku fi ha mienu fi ha omo be kwatia mu na mo ka sa me boa no mo aka kire me o me ga na me na meti bibia because me MPP for penny for papa na no mo jimidi nti me meti bibia no aka kire me say enti anura me friend me ni be ka say yo pa ye nto chacha my goku ebetumi awini o wini da because na me nim na catch them say nkofo bi okrum ha mo hwe na mo ye ni papa wo na mo yi du time ya na bufuo na aye over no ma ya ade bi o ma catch them say it's me catch them say mun ko twa two bets mun ko twa two sure obi an ko twa two sure because eye den ya MPs na wo ho no we na Akufo-Addo hu ye o mo hino ka say mo di ni krofo say na mo di ya food soldiers no mo di ya MPs ni bebre o mo adwa mo fokin enti ya no ma catch them say kwa me nya abotrela MPP penifo na party ni mu no penifo pa na kwame okra de no nya botre grofo we ye ba kire o munyansa na munya hu hwie o mu hwie o si atobe ye da so I'm still here mutumi ma Facebook mutumi ye dede na mo ye ni biom mutumi ade na atonsom mu de no na atonsom ke to abawie ye nka ya kasasa ye nim se mo be to abawie ema ye dwane fikrum ha atonsom akrono ni Jimie ngu nipa mo win election mo win no mo se mo di kosi cathedral mo ko budan egu se mo kosi cathedral so mo ko budan egu dan yesi ye na Ghana asase asa Nyankopon ote rage pen na nyamete mu ko budan egu because obi the book bi be kire mo say amaami bi kore apple wo garden bi mu ena nyame say ade ti no mo awe ne garden no ne apple no mi apple no ti nyame ma awe na me de koro so ma me kunu ono so wa awe na me say hey mama obesia me say we ne po akọwe apple South story we go is a stories we na me de ohu mu bubu dan ehiafo my Ghana ye nisika ye si dan ya ye de ma judges action mu ekobu dan no se mu kwa si dan ya ye kan apple story wo ti mu ekobu dan egu nyansa ben ne wo mu tirim nyansa another 4 years never no ye be sia tatam ye be sia kan okure a kire mu pa muntie yen ye betena ha yen musu hwio de bia me ba fa exam ye live bia say me I have nothing to lose mu ekobu dan ekosi dan ya ye kan apple story wo apple broni ma wi ase na o be kire mo apple story no na ye nsom nyame wo kurom ha na ye nana no mo nsom nyame na me nana kwa kudu kwa onsom nyame na me nana kwa kudu kwa bosomfo na onsom nyame mo tran na ye de story ye be ka kire mu kosi dan makotobo e wa abrochiri makotobo bo e de abasa mu be si dan na mo be de wi ni seat no mo be de wi ni mo seat no ma che bi wi ase bibia na free ase ye to ba wi what is obi aka free ase Jesus asem Ghana for to abase ye hwehwe mampini bi oba be jai obeba nkwase asem etu atwa wo mamu ha wo ye pe obi a obeba be mampini wo mamu ha ebe ma enkwase asem tu atwa enye free na mama mo free what da say ye beto aba aban to me fa phone no afre nipa wo wahin akufo do say ye ma osika na covid sika bagibi ye cheche sika mo spend over 1 billion still the speaker of parliament NDC ni still speaker of parliament NDC ni e ba na say jimie etumfo amonte jimie na bibia nya me ya say ye etumfo na amonte no ba umia na bebre it's also no disassociating no free ejimifo ho the cancer chemu amonte mu Ghana fo ato abama mu Kolebu is the biggest hospital in this country na enframa kura obi ni ho wo Kolebu a wuntumi mfa phone enye call enfre say me the patient bi ba ambulance ba say na ye no ye nko hefa ye say arrange bed mbeko bi hospital papa enye adwuma o man ha dan a ye si ajaje se mo se ye kobu na ye de si asore dan ye start MPP me ne MPP and tokwa start nyina kire me one day ye kun tokwa enya about the development of this country and adia abibi ehia ye kun tokwa se Ghana ye 275 MPs who drive 275 V8 ye need ambulance we need ambulance me can some ways da mo koto ambulance by number bondum ofeetron agbene ofeetron a plus we need we ato yen na ye kun se bibi mbra o man mu yen ni ewu jimie we MPP ni a eno nkire se by force se wujimi what I said and just by force say wujimi o ye need street light on motorway no so as good citizens we have to fight for street lights on the motorway and in our neighborhoods because we pay for it. You pay for street light. Who told light with the shemua? 10 Ghana or better than 9 something. You have street light. You do not have street light. And you have to fight. You have to get street lights in your area. Who can't say some now? Say, that Ben na yabe can't say it is not about the interest of the people and the nation as a whole. Plus, agbene ofeetron because you got ambulance amba. Instead of so abeka so, Charlie squad now. Omo to say, okay, yabe twaba. Everybody's area, ye two gutter, ye two ha, ye two fa, ni ye two gutter ha, no machines. Holiday, weekend, Sunday, mi kwanye so ha, omo ye kwanye. Ye two aban we open on se sa woni omo ko. Enti the bia be try omo politicians say Jimmy en. Ye two aban we ye. Wo area kwan na omo ye no hu se omo guso ye. Omo nja kwan no nko ye. Wo area ye two aban we ye no. Wo area kwan na omo ye no. Are they still doing it? Omo nja kwan no gu ho nko ye. And we are talking about this issue that don't allow these politicians to do this. And this is what they are doing. We are the beer you better about near your coin, near your pet babam, you better about motorway so almost 6 street lights, day and night, weekend, holiday, Sunday, you know, no more yuma, ya 2 year pet, or moko. In the end, ya Jimmy, the beer say ya. Nagana for a pair of my man penny beer or beba. Obe this annual man. Obia to abama ku for this on be free o. Ya be ma ye free we. Na ma ye free we. Ya to aba ne. Ene ya ye kase to aba ku for do obe we. Na ma ye free we. Ya asɛm esi wɔ election mu no Akufo-Addo tumi tena ɔman ha no afa pen ne paper no atwerɛ letter de akɔma America Black Lives Matter say police brutality ɛwɔ America police folk kunkum nipa ɛwɔ America enti no or sympathize with blacks no and then you Akufo-Addo you sympathize with black people in America ya to aba wɔ Ghana Techiman South nipa wu ntumi ka ho hwe Joe Wise Bekwa MP beka kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo criminals. As a lawyer, you can identify criminals who have not been tried, and it's normal. So ɔmo criminals. Yɛ to aba na ɔmo kɔ misbehave yɛnti no. Ɛyɛ normal. Si yɛ ku ɔmo, but yɛ to aba parliament no obi akɔ file ballot papers, no obi akɔ ballot box. Ɛno deɛ normal. But ordinary Ghanaians deɛ ɔmo wu a ɛnyɛ no ɛno deɛ ɛnyɛ normal. Ɔmo yɛ bibi ɛnyɛ normal. Si yɛ ku ɔmo, shoot them to kill them. Enipa wey na edi oman wey so na wo betena ho ye kan sam we akyere wo a wo bebie wadwen mu no wetie asam no wo de wo maame ye MPP ni nti no wo de normal wo de wo papa ye MPP ni nti ye normal na wo A+ me support o na why na say yankopon de babon nsam support no obonsam oni yankopon de ti on support no iti me on support no ya fa me ho ben moti o memu ha akotobo osam de besi dan ewe Israel for bo no honhom bi wo mu a say Holy Spirit o so say ye dan o makotobo wo Israel na say me shan bi pani bi no bi say enti say no enti wo problem dey say na me say me say me Ghana man pani a nka me kwa kosi cathedral no wo Kentampo me kwa kosi cathedral no e wo Kentampo because you see we are say kakraka ya nyame boto wo ha nyina ne mfimfini eye Ghana na Ghana mfimfini ye Kentampo enti say me na me ye president of Ghana na me say still me person me see sa dan na enka me nkobu dan ngu wo rage enka me kwa kosi cathedral no si Kentampo no me see ade tintin bi ko wiem na maka kire wiase nyina say eye ha na ye wiase nyina medel na nyame wo soro ha enti wo fu ade we na wo kosoro ha wo be kwa kosia nyame yare bia ye obi abeko wo be hu nipa be tumrika be fo sa ade no and psychologically some people will get healed who to meet trample in free ha na wo ko Israel wo ko peden a ye de wo ko gina bia say hana bonsam de Yesu be gina na o kire ne say o hwe na man gina ko twa foto be hu say bonsam ne Yesu gina bia bi ye twa montro na magye bi wo trample mu free ha ko Israel so ko hwe bia bonsam ne Yesu ko gina hwan na hu sa ade no a o be ka kire wo nti a wo dimrika say wo ko Israel haye hana ayi Yesu be gina ayo ye hana Moses ne hana ayi baby ba ku bi o say ayi hana ayi Jacob eno osoro abofo okun ntokwa na mudi saade n'echi ba wo de wontumi creative baby akonfo no chi ye say wontumi creative baby akwame nkroma ye say wo so fa ngisika ni bi jimie na obi ahu ye mehin so mo ti abruchire no dwene Jonas catcher say munja jimie no ne jimie mu na motena we say hey munene kokonto kwa Ghana ha jimie mu ne yete kwame nkroma ni fi otena mu e wo Ghana ha e wo circle baby eja she circle no ho na kwame nkroma not ne dan a odem ho na ewo eye any civilized country nke de bia nkofo ba behwe bibia kwame nkroma tenae ne box ne mpani se ebi ni ho kra na o se corporate carpenter mane bobo mpa ne edisi ho se hana kwame nkroma mpa we na oda so obi ye nko se sa book azan book be enu na abofo ne de museum ne ade no de giska no ba mo madwen no enya adwuma madwen no problem wo ho madwen ne nya adwuma omo mo bu o man we bebre na kakra bi na nim nyansa wo ka say wo ko baby na saying Egypt ya say bizu say no muni ayi aboya ne ho black ayi ponko ya ne ho black and white difference ayi zebra say o muni bi o ma for fast spray ya ya graffiti e wo ayi container mu ya ye spray down hu o ma for fast spray ni bi e no mu de spray ayi donkey no original zoo wana ko for behwe say ayi zebra na ya jiska kofo trample mom behwe zebra say na ya donkey na ya spray no ho white paint and black ya mark no enso tohwe aboye na ase ya hye no yomu ne ho nyina na ahohori nkofo de omo adwen Egyptian mummy pyramid and na say nkofo de omo adwen jiska wo memu ha ko begro go and see the rocks at Begro wo ko Begra there are huge rocks there are huge caves in Begro. Go to Begro and go and see what is in Begro. Ube kon Ura cave me, I went to Begro. Ura cave mua, no biatro in 1870. So a white man were here. I was here with my wife to see so and so and so. In 200 years history, Oko Begra, missionaries no muba hano, omo mubeti basra sorry ni adieno, omo cemetery wo Begro, omo nanyina wo ho, ya the glass akata so. Who knows about this? Do the people in Switzerland near there and Germany missionaries in those days, no, do they know that baby will be grow? Because way back in the 1918 there, no, time na Ramsey anomba hano. Omo besisi dying will be grow. Before perhaps omo missionaries no, e bi Ramsey anuko pie abitifi no. Omo besisi dying will be grow. Begro no, omo say wa wo pese wo ko wo tena Nyankopon mu no. Yesi estate wa ha enti bra enti sa area wo Begro ye fra ho Yesu mu yesi small estate eye ancient dan yesi ye ba ko honda bon say eye well planned eye not dan by ya planning no ye ye fra ho Yesu mu. So what can you do? JB dan kwa baby o school e wo Begro e wo ho sese ya baby JB dan kwa school the primary school e wo Begro. Do you know about that? Abena on beto wo kuro no so na esi wo na e friend na abegrogro no e da so si ho ye twa ho white esi begro. Do you know about it? What's happening free here na wo Israel wo hwe because Israel for need to make promote omodie ni ye enti na wo koto bo wo ho se wo di besi dan no na nka memedi Akufo Addo echi mandan so da ye se Akufo Addo betumi afa plane akofa bo so di besi dan wo nkran ha ebo no biti ho say NDC for ne pentokwa NDC for mo ankasa people for mo primaries bo amobo mo ho saa na mo di wi aba mu aba we na mo lusi mo hade esi for parliament and now mo pese mo di military intimidating for wo memu ha taking military into the chamber of parliament with guns adentia Akufo Addo president mo bia nkasa wo memu ha bi wo mu bia wewu a wo sunda ye wo me be wiase nipa ba ko no mehu na wewu a wo sun ono kra se na ice hye nani ase ye wo me be wiase nipa ba ko pe mehu se wewu a ye ne ya wo sun ono kra se ice block akolo ko nani ase. Go to a place like Begro. There are waterfalls. Water anadua, you hear the water pouring. There are about 26 or so waterfalls in and around Begro area only. Well, who knows about it? Tourism, baller. To me, feel how comfortable with Israel. Maybe I come for call Ukugwa. You know the history. It's not media will become Tunfo as and Penamigrat because, but for Tunfo, any as the Benshia, any the Ashanti Empire, any Ashanti Kingdom, and can history a Kawukrum Hano, any wine. Obey to me preserving the year. Kakra bi no mutumi ya nyoma kakakra ne aka nyina say ahemfodo mo akwose politics bebre na nka no kre wo ye ohene ye tu wunua ohene ye de wa be ye ohene regional house of chiefs ye tu omo ne ye de krofo be sisi so na obia ye din eye wo de wo ma NDC ne MPP abehya mo culture na mo tradition no mu ma ne nhyem na otena mo be hu the impact the effect e benya e wo mo culture no so otumfo menhia obetumi de NDC ne MPP kowura ho no kana sama o kaba nasi yankan okura wo memu ha wo ya tu abama obe president so mekosi asore dan unni hospital papa so mekosi asore dan obi ya de na enye na wo kokan na president buafu mampani ya tu abama no ontumi deal with obia even deputy minister he can't deal with them. Like I say Ghana for to me back free SHS. Me man to Abama Akufo Addo so me free SHS. Me to man so onye free SHS mo omo ni bi. Yes, it's good. But we need a government that is going to fight corruption. Look at this country we live in. Institutions don't work and Akufo Addo is now the cause has deepened that problem na wo memu hano. Akufo Addo has deepened it. And can no yenye complaining police ni military ya politicize the police ni military ya politicize the police ni military everybody is complaining Akufo Addo buy no or the electoral commissioner beka ho say any government that comes to remove the electoral commissioner there we will hold huge protest to remove her before Abayembe Sapra. We have to hold huge protest in this country to remove the electoral commissioner. Akufo Addo buy Auditor General go on leave aden because we nipa baako ya ade enye papa na ka say what's your memo as president of Ghana obi say na Akufo-Addo ye the election ya da man na fa me ho ben Akufo-Addo 3 years yente ha am I not still here we say Akufo-Addo be win election ma mani ewu am I not here na me bo nipa different no na me bo nipa different me I love to fight Akufo-Addo yo unipa baako ya ade a enye the Auditor General is the one who is taking money from how do you call it enkrofo mo wi oman ni sika enkrofo mo fa kotikwan so age oman ni sika the Auditor General is the one who is taking the money domlovo or jisika no back to the state they have fanya mpuntuduma wan jiso peso odi o jisika no de aboa oman no ne de ayampuntuduma Akufo-Addo say adenti na domlovo tata ne enkrofo ni bi on enkrofo enti no Akufo-Addo buafu domlovo ko leave da ko leave pe na Supreme Court ye de nyoma bi nnamu ne ya fa safmafo ya man ya Auditor General fofo na aba no o de nyoma na ko fom wo court na chere say ne ho atono onipa na oji sika dia ma na fa ye oman ni yie no ono na ono ne beko ntokwa wa wu ni ma wu omamu ha wo pese wo ye okay wo ni Akufo wutumi nante ye nya opa bibia obeye bia no bibia nkotu control na support Akufo-Addo obi ye bibia nya amenka mo MPP for penifo na ya mmehu na kwame oba kamasem kan MPP asem MPP ya party papa MPP ya party kese Akufo-Addo na abese no enti oba obetumi aka ba wumi asem obetumi aka MPP asem obetumi aka Kennedy Apo asem obetumi aka Alanchemantin asem obetumi aka MPP je Akufo asem me kan Akufo-Addo asem treme ka Akufo-Addo asem treme zame ya odan a special prosecutor and you cover by one of special prosecutor by and you just brought the man and came and put him there so that he will feel nothing special. Okay, as Ghana for omo we just had any na Ghana for omo observing the mama free ohun ade free mo ko tro free messages no Facebook bi mo jimie krono ma pan sem be bu oman no ye nya ye we akire no ebia na wo nana wo hu enti ye we akire ne ye hwe we chiama no say nanan say na eko ye na ye hwe we chiama no ye mum ye wo enemy ye na hwe we chiama ye we chiama no ye mum ye wo enemy na wo be de bu oman ne ye kire o say nana omubu ha ye mum ye wo enemy na just say wo ka ho wo no wa say wo di wo ha na wo di wo ha obi kwaye bone ne ye kan we say Macleod we kwaye bone ne ye kan Macleod yen na ye kan say we aye say no Manasseh na all kan some kire wo no the problem is not the problem Manasseh who is talking about the problem now becomes the problem mom penokre Akufo-Addo has become a confident liar like we control with confidence Akufo-Addo has become a confident liar like he can stand on radio and TV and say we won the elections massively and this is the most free and fair election in the history of Ghana. Eh? So be can try so your body language, nipa body language, so steady nipa body language. Anybody who is telling a lie, they be all trying to teach her in the right. So we say we want this is the most free and fair election in the anybody who is telling the truth, they look up left hand side like this because this is where you see truth. A natural. Go on YouTube, watch everything. We can't drop. And he's so confident in lying. And that's not the man that I followed. He has become a confident liar. Like Mamen Kanamen Komberding. You don't have a legacy. And Nanado from now to the next 4 years, where you have been placed, it is going to, if you don't do the right things, so that some of us will stop talking. I want to support anybody who is there for this country. I want to support. I want this country to develop. So if the right thing is being done today and Ghana is moving forward, I will always support. People say, come here, plus there, on your consistent. How can I be consistent in lying? I should be consistent. Like every day, no member can say, and the Makasi Nana, and the Waya did your panty or Yamaminka. In Ghana, when you say, John Mahama did this good, oh, and this is for my idea, power. The next moment, they are fooling. When you say MPP former, you say the next moment they are fooling. So it is very difficult for you to be consistent. And we cannot be consistent in lying. And therefore, you have to deal with the issues. You have to deal with the issues. Everybody who is not disappointed did not believe Nana Addo when he was talking. Anybody who is not disappointed in Nana Addo did not believe him when he was talking in 2016. Some of us did. We believed him. We believed everything he was saying. And that is why we question, because Mijinidi say some not can no correct, but not knowing some mubebrioha na a platform talk. Ya to about to me troll at the America for said George Floyd. A friend is saying Black Lives Matter, police brutality, and a wine. Your friend is saying, your friend is saying police brutality in America. Dear Ben, who to me troll letter at the comma, your friend is saying, dear friend is saying, America in support of Black Lives Matter. Who are who your trouble in the Pugua was only criminals, a normal. You can't say anything about it. When PC only criminals. Now George Floyd now obey a year will crew hanu. Who him say at his age no I jail 5 times. George Floyd now be in a year will crew or memu hanu. At his age no I jail 5 times. But me be in a year but obi ko police station na issue bi siwa na botu no wu a ono ye criminal. Mu nim nyansa. Mu penifo na mo parliament ho no bebre na mu nim nyansa. Utumi be ye obi ye criminal like George Floyd to be in the year or memu ha. Amo obi akobi. Enipa wu o memu ha o me Ghana for dia. Wo se omo ye criminals. Nyansan ni mutrim. Yeah? Me can last one, me can some last one mako. Me hu sa abra na mobo no. Ube hu papa bi. Ti asem na me catch me ube hu papa bi. We di MP, we di hwan, we di minister, wa ye den, wa ko, wa ba, wa ye bibia bi. Eso obenyin no. Na ne man nyina hu ma. Asa hu ma abra bo no so. We nam ha. We are school papa nyina omo ko bi. Hospital papa nyina omo ko bi. Ne ma no, e ma na ewo no. Omo ware ye hu ma abra bo so basa. E me na ewo mu no, we ase nyina omo na omo hye. Ayi drug nyina omo bobi. Omo ne hu ma abra bo. E komo de ende omo. Ba omo abra bo na omo bo na nkasa hu so. Papa na nkasa ode ne ho no. Diabetes obi. Hepatitis obi. Friends, a high blood pressure or BP or baby. Neyere basa. Eso we asi bibi papa bia onya bi o. But ube mu papa bi no a civil servant. Or ye dwuma wo Ghana Broadcasting Corporation. Or ye dwuma wo Ghana Commercial Bank. One neyere oma ware 30 years, 35 years. Ne mama nyina ware. Omo nyaso awa mema nice guys. Omo so ye corporate guys. Omo one ne yere omo de 70 something. Omo ti omo kam no omo ko asori Methodist ana Pentecost. Omo abafie. Omo kwasra omo nana no. Ye do omo nana no abro omo si omo na so. Hwe enye nyamo ye no. Se wubu oman a wo. Se wogi sika ye se monfa koye nsuo ma hiafo no. Wogi na wodi. Wogi sika ye asoma wo se fa koye ayi impuntuduma me hiafo na wudi a wona wo ma no mo bedi mo bebo mo nsam mo besere mo ni beje ma de nsam ayi o but daachi wo benya sonsun so ya hwede of Kennedy ni nebusuafo no hwe omu nyina hwe se na Kennedy wu ye hwe se na omo amaka ni omu hwe ma bra bo be sin de na wanka safa ya adesua na decide what you want to do mudi nkwasi asem gokurum ha omemu ha obi ansuro obi awu ye ne mo be feso wo omemu ha sa for the next 4 years. A choice that you make. One person no face wa mon sakra musuban. Mo sakra musuban payen so be sakra. Me yes you say obia ayi amanase hwan obia person no obia kontokwa wo. Me yes you obia person man yeye. Enta wo sakra pe obia be sakra. And then manase we no kan say ochina no kan say and then no kan say because more to me you are not consistent in doing the right thing. And we cannot be consistent in supporting you. So be consistent in doing the right thing. And let us also be consistent in supporting you, and we will support you. Monfa Magrinya agreement for the next 4 years. Because these 4 years are going to be very, very turbulent. 4 years and you are aware. You and people from Mo party there's going to be the Alan Baumia, the Tugati, and all of those, and and Sana, the issues in parliament, and and some of parliamentary primaries, they are going to be issued, and some of national executive elections, they are going to be issued, and some of constituency. So you don't have to add Bobby answer. You don't have to add Bachanfor. You don't have to add Kevin Taylor. You don't have to add Manasseh. You don't have to add Anas because you have your own issues already. So just try to do the right thing so that we can also try to support you. Jimmy na mu Jimmy 4 years no. Munjai. Mo Jimmy ache. Mo Jimmy kakreye. Sa mu Jimmy no. Mo Jimmy kakreye. Na me na mo ntina. Mo bibia good night. Replenish, no? Papa. I don't want to be replenish, why? Replenish. Papa. Obini budget. See you done. Yes, I do. I gonna for some kicker. La 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 la. La 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 la. The best, The best. The best. I'm a long story now,